Welcome to the other side, where I'll be teaching you how to create a free account in PiggyVest so that you can start saving money. So once you click on the link in the description box below, it takes you over to this page. Click on create a free account. Once you click on create a free account, it brings you over to this page. So you can now enter your full name, your email address, your phone number, your password, your referral code, and how you heard about us. You can click on family and friends, co-worker referral, and then you click create account. So I'm not going to go through this step with you guys because I already have an account with PiggyVest. So once you click create account, it takes you over to the dashboard. Congratulations, you just created an account with PiggyVest and you can start saving money. If this video has been helpful to you, please hit the like button and to tell me to make more videos like this. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you won't miss out on any video that I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.